create a new repair order, please go to Maintenance, Repairs, and click on New Repair Order. A repair order is technically a work order that you give to a shop to fix or to perform some tasks on several of your units. You can select here the shop. We have here a shop already registered, but if you want to register a new one, you can click on Add New, and you can choose, let's say, Loves North Las Vegas. Okay, and you have here, you can add the shop, you can add its phone, and you can click Save Shop, and the shop is selected. Select payment method, we will select this later on after we will pay for this work order. Now what you can do, you can select the units that you want to add. Let's say that we have a truck and we have a trailer. Okay, and you can click here to add the tasks that you want to fix in the shop now at this moment. You can see here that you can select from a list and you can add them manually. Let's select from a list. We have here an issue registered for this truck, so a coolant leak that we want to fix, and we have also an oil change that has only 8 days left, so perhaps we would like also to do an oil change for this truck. We can add the tasks, and you see they are added here. And for the trailer, you can add, let's say, the axle alignment that is overdue by 19 days. So let's do this also. Add tasks. Okay. Now you can see how you can add manually a task. Let's say that we have also some kind of repair, also an alignment for the axles here. And some notes. And you can add manually this task. Please notice that when you add manually a task, and if it's not a repair or if it's a repair or a maintenance, doesn't matter, so the system, when you will close this order, will not be able to reset. If you have a schedule, will not be able to reset the schedule, and if you have a repair issue for it, will not be able to close that issue. So please be very attentive when you add manually a task. It's better to select them from a list. Okay, now we have added the tasks. You can add some parts. If you used some parts from your own stock, you can add them from here. Let's say that we want to change also some tires, and we have tires from our stock. For example, the driver has a spare. You can add it here, and these are the parts from your own stock. They will not be shown here in the amount or here. They will shown separately, so you see own parts costs. Okay, now we can save the order. The order is saved. Let's say that the shop has fixed everything and you got the invoice, so you have to close this order. You can open it. You can mark it as closed. Okay. Now, if all the tasks here have been performed, then you have nothing else to do, just to add the amount. Let's say that for the truck, if you can split the amount in two. Let's say that for the truck we pay 500 and for the trailer it's 100. It's up to you. You can put all the amount here, but for a better statistics in the future, it's better to split the amount as it was split in the shop. So you can see here that the shop amount, so let's say that we paid 600 and we paid it by credit card. And now you can save the order, and you can choose the date when the order has been closed, and you can put individually the dates. Let's say that the truck was done on one day and left the shop, but the trailer on another day. These dates are very important because they will be used to reset the schedules that we have for the truck and the schedules that we have for the trailer. Let's say that it's the same date. You can put the mileage if you want, because if you have maintenance schedules with a frequency set in miles, then this mileage will be used to reset the schedule. And you can rate the shop Save order. Okay, now this order is closed. You can see it here. Okay, a closed order. What works were included in this order, the amount, and here is the amount for the own parts that we included in this repair order. What is very important now, you can go to the unit and you can see now that the oil change that we performed has been reset. Okay, it's now 100%, so you can see that it has been reset with the date that we selected in that closing menu. So the last service date is now 20 September and the next service date has automatically been reset. And if we go to issues, you can see that there are no more issues for this truck. We had an issue and it has already been solved, so no issues here. You can see here if we open the repair order that has been closed, so you can see here that the issue that we had, so we had a coolant leak, it has been deleted from the list of issues. That's all.